In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in Hubspot. Anchor links are those handy links that let your visitors jump directly to a specific section on a page, like a back-to-top link or a table of contents. They're great for long pages, blog posts, or detailed landing pages where you want to make navigation faster and more user-friendly. We'll walk through this in two main parts. First, we'll create the anchor itself, which is the destination on the page. Then, we'll link text or an image to that anchor, which becomes the clickable trigger. Let's start by creating the anchor. In your HubSpot content editor, click inside the rich text module at the exact spot where you want people to land when they click the link. This might be right above a heading, a section title, or any important piece of content you want to jump to. Once your cursor is in place, look at the rich text toolbar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Anchor. A small dialog box will pop up asking you for a name. This name is how HubSpot identifies the anchor behind the scenes, so keep it simple and readable. Use hyphens instead of spaces, like pricing section or contact form, and avoid special characters. When you're happy with the name, click Insert to confirm. You've now created the anchor destination on your page. Next, let's link to that anchor so visitors can actually use it. Still in the content editor, highlight the text you want to turn into a link, or click on the image you'd like to make clickable. With that text or image selected, go back to the rich text toolbar and click the link icon, which looks like a small chain. In the link settings that appear, find the Link To drop-down and select Anchor on this page. This tells HubSpot you're not linking to an external URL, but to a specific location within the current page. Another drop-down labeled Anchor will appear. Click that, and you'll see the name you created earlier. Select that anchor name. To finish up, click Insert to confirm the link. Now your text or image is linked directly to the anchor you set. When visitors click it, they'll smoothly jump down to that section on your page, making your content easier to navigate and more enjoyable to use.